My video is about getting rid of the online scam that is associated with several similar websites. In fact, there are two websites that are pretty similar. They are drivecheckwn2.click and drivecheckwn1.click. These two pop-up ads are extremely dangerous because they try to force you and to deceive you into downloading and installing some software. These pop-ups report a lot of faulty errors and other fake messages that try to convince you and to force you into downloading and installing some software. Initially, they may visually promote some decent software, but there are times when these pop-ups eventually forward you to some other websites that may promote totally different software. So obviously this is the typical example of online scam that tries to force you into downloading and installing certain program or subscribing to some security protection plans. But even though the motives probably seem to be decent, but these methods are not decent because this is the example of typical online scam, and very often the occurrence of these pop-ups on your browser may be explained by the presence of some adware type program enabled in your system. So check the list of your applications or programs, get rid of those items that are not familiar to you. Second point you need to implement is to check the list of your browser extensions. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any extensions here that are not familiar to you, remove them. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start checking your computer to be convinced that it is free of any other threats. After you download and start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Windows, you need to select your preferred scan types. The scan types are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, the trial version of the program only gives you the Quick Scan. So after you have made your choice, click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the detailed research and investigation of your computer. It will give you the summary of all the threads that were found during the scan at the end of the scanning. Now you may experiment with some features. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version gives you the great opportunity to protect your folders, some selected folders, from being encrypted by the ransomware. So you may go to the Settings, select Anti-Ransomware tab, and then add the specific folder to make sure that your data is duly protected by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then at the end of scanning, you'll see the complete summary of all the threads with their exact location on your Windows computer. You'll have a chance to get rid of all these threads manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.